So, going back to our patient, maong karon I'm starting to recover na, and I hope na by the time makita na ninyo na ang post nako, you'll be inspired. Inspired na there's still hope na maayo, not just sa knee injury, but sa tanang klase na inyong gipamati nato sa lawas. Ayaw mo pagpanaga o pagpa-consult kay atong lawas ra jud ang atong puhunan. And that's true. We forget na ang atong lawas is really important, more important than the iPhone, that cellphone, that iPad, or that gadget na inyong ganahan paliton. Consultation costs are less than a load ninyo sa cellphone. Pero a lot of our Filipino friends, there is ganahan gud mo palit og cellphone, di sa magpatanaw sa doktor. Unya ra ng doktor. So this is true what the patient is saying, na ayaw gyud og panagang kay atong lawas, atong puhunan. Aning matag adlaw nato na pagpanginabuhi. So amping tang tanan, always, and let's heal together. That's a nice saying, no? Let's heal together. Please do read the captions of the vids, and I hope it helps. So this patient, wa ni siya naka-decide og surgery dayon because obviously financial issues, daghan ingon nani financial issues. But when you go to me in the clinic, I number one need to know your story. Nganong na-injury man ka. I want to know if it's a sports injury, and by the history pa lang